Over the course of the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you how kitchen contractors just like yourself are able to get to the top of Google Maps, the first page of search results, and now appear in AI searches utilizing local on-page and off-page SEO strategies. So let's jump right in. Now, if you're a kitchen contractor wanting to learn more about how you can get to the first page of search, here at MarketKeep, we do offer a free SEO evaluation report where we walk you through your website and what you have to do in order to rank at the top of maps, first page of search, as well as an AI search is utilizing your own local on-page and off-page SEO strategies. So if that's something of interest to you, just go ahead and fill out that free SEO evaluation request, and somebody on our team will send a report back like this within 24 hours. But that being said, let's figure out how companies are able to get to the first page of search for a kitchen contractor in Baltimore, Maryland. Now, typically, there's two places that a business can appear on the first page of search. There's what's called the Google 3-pack, which I'm highlighting right here and is controlled by local SEO or a company's Google business profile. And then there's the first 8 slots of a Google search result, and that's controlled by elements of what we call on-page SEO and off-page SEO. I first want to cover on-page SEO since I think that's what most small business owners associate search engine optimization with. So to figure out how your website is performing with on-page SEO, all you actually have to do is take your website's domain, go back to Google, and type in site : and then enter your website address. And here you're going to have the ability to see all of the pages that Google as well as other search engines have like indexed and are including in their search ranking reports for your business. Now for me, when I look at this report, I'm looking for a couple things. First, I'm reviewing a company's meta tag title and their meta description to see if they're utilizing any what we call long tail SEO keywords. So this is a great example of a website that on their homepage at least is utilizing a long page or a long tail SEO keyword because it's a term bathroom and kitchen remodeling services in Baltimore. Unlike their reviews page, which is really just like the search term reviews. But as you scroll through, you can really start to see like some of the search terms that Creative Equity Builders is prioritizing because you have home additions in Baltimore, kitchen remodeler in Edgewood, bathroom remodeling in Baltimore, bathroom remodeling in Rosedale. As we go to page 2 of search results, we can even see like kitchen remodeling in Essex or kitchen remodeler in Perry Hall. And I think this is a great example of following the golden rule to SEO, which is you get one keyword per page. So the more descriptive you can be with your search term, the easier it is to rank. And then furthermore, when you recognize that you only have one keyword per page, that means that every service that you offer should have its own dedicated SEO keyword. And then every town and city that you're trying to rank within should also have its own dedicated SEO keyword in that or page. And that should allow you to be able to connect with your customers in the moments that matter to them. Now that kind of covers on-page SEO in a nutshell. We kind of want to start pivoting and talking a little bit about local SEO. And again, local SEO really revolves around a company's Google business profile. So to figure out how your business profile is performing, the best thing to do is to go ahead and type in your company's telephone number. And on the right-hand side, if you have a well-performing Google business profile, you should see that appear. Now there's a couple things that we want small business owners to understand. The first being the more reviews, the easier it is to rank within the Google 3-pack for local SEO. We all know this, but in the absence of reviews or as somebody that's just getting started with search engine optimization, here are a couple other things that we recommend. First, going to the Google business profile and uploading your photos correctly does make a difference. So we always try to tell people here at MarketKeep, start to look at your Google business profile like a Facebook or an Instagram. The more active you are with your profile, the easier it is for Google to scan, crawl, and start including you in search rankings. Now, when you upload pictures to your business profile, don't just upload them directly from your phone, right? The best thing you could do is actually take the time to rename the file name or the photo name so that way it's SEO friendly. So in this case, it could be like a master bathroom remodel in Baltimore, Maryland. Or we could kind of do this one here, which would just be, again, like a primary bathroom remodel in Baltimore, Maryland. But as you upload your photos, if you can upload the work that's being done and where that work was located, you have built out a great SEO-friendly strategy for uploading your photos to your business profile. The second thing we want small business owners to understand is that you have the opportunity to provide what are called updates for your business or Google business profile posts. A Google business profile post can be an update, an event, or an offer. And again, it's a great opportunity in the absence of reviews to work on your search engine optimization. So you could kind of talk a little bit about like maybe if you're bringing on somebody to the team, like the trademark construction is doing here, or you could talk about making like your master bathroom remodel accessible and beautiful, right? But that is always a great opportunity to, again, incorporate some search engine optimization by saying like a Rosedale master bathroom remodel or something along those lines. And it helps you to be able to rank more effectively by including Google Business Profile posts. And if you aim to have 1 to 2 posts going out on a minimum basis, you should be in good hands. The third thing we want small business owners to take advantage of is uploading their products and services to their Google Business Profile. Again, this is a free opportunity to go ahead and kind of describe the products and services that you offer, as well as maybe incorporate a short description about what type of kitchen cabinets you offer, what styles you provide customers with, and again, it just gives you some more SEO-friendly details to include. Now, the last one is tricky because not a lot of people know this one is out there, but I'm going to go ahead and move over the MarketKeep Google Business Profile so you can see what I mean. But the last one that we want small business owners to understand is something called questions and answers. And a question and an answer is something that as the manager or owner of the business profile, you can submit your own question and respond to answers. Now, if you think about it, all the contact form submissions, the phone calls, maybe the conversations that you're having with potential customers, if they typically are asking the same questions, those are things that should be going to the Google Business Profile because you know that these are things that are being searched. But if you do all of those things, you're going to have a much better optimized Google Business Profile and a better chance of getting into the Google 3-pack even without the necessary reviews. The last part to search engine optimization is something called off-page SEO. And off-page SEO really refers to backlinking. Now, a lot of people hear that term backlinking and they immediately think the more backlinks I have, the easier it's going to be to rank my website. That's not what I'm saying. It's always going to be about quality versus quantity. The nice thing about off-page SEO, though, is it does leave a paper trail, and it's very easy to figure out how much off-page SEO you need to do. So for instance, like Kitchen Contractor or Kitchen Remodeler in Baltimore, you need a minimum of 15 other websites to link back to you in order to get to the first page of search. Now, the great thing, again, about off-page SEO is it does leave a paper trail. So I can go out and I can look at Kenwood Kitchens and understand that they have 144 backlinks to their website, and that's helping them to get to the first page of search. Those backlinks are typically divided into a couple categories. The first one being what we call local citations, which are places that you can list your business's name, address, and telephone number, as well as your website. And that could be something like the BBB, the Yellow Pages, or something along those lines. The next one would be what we would call expertise backlinks. So if there's a website out there that talks about like here are the best kitchen contractors in Baltimore and they list the top 10 businesses, that's a great citation or backlink to go after. So that could be something like best pros in town. And then the last one that really kind of comes up is just anywhere that people have like a guest post or are linking back to you in regards to their business. But that is the strategy for off-page SEO. Again, you don't need to go out and buy a ton of backlinks because that it's not always about quantity, it's about quality. But if you can prioritize those websites that will allow you to list your business's name, address, and telephone number and be within the appropriate category like a kitchen contractor or a home remodeler, that's going to help you to rank more effectively and separate yourself from really the websites that could be at the bottom of the first page search results versus the ones that are always at the top of search. But as long as you're focusing on local on-page and off-page SEO strategies, you have the opportunity to reach your customers in the moments that matter most to them. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions regarding this, please feel free to fill out that SEO evaluation request. But thanks again for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your business. Thanks a lot and take care.